Hi everyone, it's Patty from Wakanda Area Library. I have one more pop-up craft for you to come on over and pick up. Today we're going to make a lunch bag snowflake. Yep, you heard it, lunch bags. All this takes is 7 lunch bags. I'm going to use some glue at home, and I've included some embroidery floss so you can hang these. I gave you a pretty good amount because I know you're gonna make some more. Go out and buy a packet of lunch bags. You can get them at the store pretty inexpensively. And this is super simple to make. Just like with the ornament, I'm gonna set a limit of 4. There's no registration. Just come on over and give us your name and we'll ask how many you're taking, and that's it. So I've attached the video to everyone so you can see it, even if you don't want to come to the library. If you have some lunch bags at home, it doesn't matter what size lunch bags, brown, white, you can make this snowflake. Let's go ahead and get started. And move that one out of the way. I have 6 of our lunch bags already glued on. So what you're going to do is take some glue. Craft glue is good. And you're just going to do it in a T all the way at the top and then straight down the middle. I would say once you glue all of them, and you want every lunch bag going the same direction. So I have the flaps up, I painted a T, and then you just place it carefully right on top. You can lay a book on top of it. You can use one of these clips and clip it. You want to have them nice and straight. Let's lift it up just a little bit. Even that out. I drew one pattern on there already. So this is where the ruler is going to be your friend. So you want to, if you're going to do a point on the end, which looks good on a snowflake. So this bag is 5 inches, so you can see my point is at 2.5 in the center. I marked that and just went down and did a triangle. I marked up about a ruler's width length up, and then another ruler's width length up. And I just did 2 little ovals. You can make these little triangles. You could do whatever shapes you want. Every snowflake is unique. I find once these are all glued together and dried, draw this on. Get some good scissors because it's best to cut through them all together, but you can always kind of pull the pages apart and cut them. Let's get through this. Would be great hanging down your stairwell after the Christmas trees are down. I always love having some winter decorations up so the house doesn't look so sad after Christmas. Okay, so now that we have all of our bags glued together, I measured and show you how to cut the triangle from the bottom. Make whatever designs you want on the sides. So I'm just going to cut out some little ovals, and when these are real small, to get through all of the bags at once is difficult. My coworker also did one where she used a glue stick along the edges of the bag and then rubbed glitter on it. So that was super cute too. But I'm gonna go with the glitterless options. So this is all the cuts I'm gonna make on this. If you wanted to, you can make one down a little higher, but I made this triangle pretty big. So there's not too much room. So you can see you don't have to do too much. And now all you wanna do is carefully open it up. So you're gonna turn it sideways. Ooh, look at that. And just best to stick your hands in those last bags. I think we'll add a little bit of glue here in a T shape like we did with the other ones, and I will just clip it. That looks so good. Okay, make sure every bag opens up. And you can almost even, if it's easier, you could staple it. That way you'll get this part glued in. That looks so good. So all that's left to do is glue it or staple it, whatever you decide. So I'm gonna glue mine, and then I'm gonna use my clip here to hold it together. And then I'm gonna poke a hole and put the embroidery cloth through to hang it up. This is a beautiful snowflake. I'll have the sample hanging up at the basket, so I'll email you when I'm gonna do this class. Feel free to stop by and pick them up. Happy holidays from Wakanda Area Library. Bye for now.